My foot hurts. Ow. Okay.
Dude, look at it. Now it's on the full tracks.
That's cool.
It's cool that we could see it moving.
That's awesome. It's bright.
Holy crap. Is that even possible to see it move?
Uh-huh. Because the Earth's spinning so fast.
Whoa, now it's in the middle of the track.
Awesome, look at that. It's like, this is a special day. Wow, that's cool.
It's not even, like, hard to look at.
Okay, I just ruined the video.
Do you think the thing is going to be messed up?
What?
Do you think a train's going to come? That's so cool. Isn't that cool, like, you can see it moving? Now it's going bye-bye. Take a picture. Stop that and take a picture.
I got some.
Okay. Don't stop it because we want to watch it, like, go past.
Mm-hmm.
Go past and then it's going to be gone.
Yeah. Bye-bye till
Is
tomorrow.
it moving down or going that way?
Bye-bye.
Is it moving down or going right?
Both.
So we're like spinning slowly this way and then spinning that way? That's really weird.
The Earth spins kind of...
Yeah, I know that.
I mean, it's kind of off, you know, crooked 23 degrees. Crickets. That's like huge. Okay, I'm gonna stand up. Get on her 5 minutes. No, just kidding. Mosquito right on my finger. Go away.
And I keep filming it until it completely goes gone.
It'd be cool to have it set up on a tripod and then get away from the camera. Swatting at mosquitoes and blah blah blah. That was really cool. Thank you, Lord. That was awesome. Neato.
Okay, nice.